Hello, wonderful students. I am so excited to be here today, and we are going to do some math. Who is ready to do some math? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready to do some math. I know I'm ready to do some math. So here's what we're going to do today. We are going to do all about the number 9. All about the number 9. You guys are going to be able to show me all different ways to make the number 9. So be thinking about that, okay? The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a tens frame, that's this thing, and make some addition sentences with that. Wow. We're going to make some addition sentences with a tens frame all the way from 1 to 10. Do you think you guys can do that today? You think so? I think so. I think we're going to have a great time doing it. So are you ready? Are you ready to get your minds ready to count to 9? And tell me all different ways to make 9? I think so. Let's start with a tens frame. How could I make 9 on a tens frame? Think. There's a couple ways of explaining it. Oh, did I hear do the top one and then do 4 more? We could do it that way. What's another way? Or another way to explain it? Oh, I could do all of them but 1, because if I filled all of them up, that would be 10. And I know that 10, if I take away 1, that number is 9. So if I did all of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that would be 9, right? It's all of them. I have 5 up top. I can know that in a snap. And then I have 4 on the bottom. So I could count that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you count that with me? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a way to make 9. Awesome. Now let's look at 9 right here and let's see what number comes in front of 9. I don't know. What number comes in front of 9? If I would write my numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The number before, that's the number in front of. What is the number before 9? Did you say 8? It is. The number before 9 is 8. That's the number before. Can you say before? Before. What about the number that comes after? The number that comes after. What would that be? It is. It's 10. Sometimes when I don't know that answer, I might count on. I might say 8, 9, 10, and I could get that answer. Awesome. Let's do some number bonds with 9. What 2 numbers can make 9? I know right here I have the number 5 and I have the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that 5 and 4 make 9. I know that if I had 5 cupcakes and my mom gave me 4 more cupcakes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cupcakes, and my mom gave me 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, how many would that be altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That equals 9. What happens if I put 6 right there? What number would be over here to equal 9? Can I show you a strategy? What if I put 6 in my head and I counted all the way up to 9 and I stopped? See how many fingers I might have on my hand. If I go 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers is that? 3. Let's try it again. If I go 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. Fantastic job. What happens if I put 7 right here? Let's put 7 in our heads. So if I go 7, 8, 9, how many fingers do I have? I have 2 fingers right there. Awesome. What if I put the number 8 in my head? If I put 8 in my head, let's see. 8, 9. How many fingers? Yes, I could say 8 plus 1 equals 9. Now I have a number bond right here. I can choose some of my numbers right here to put right here for my number bond. I'm wondering which ones I could choose. Which ones do you want me to put in that number bond? I could put 6 and 3. I could put 5 and 4. I could put 7 and 2. I can put 8 and 1. Today I'm going to put 6 and 3. And I can make that into an addition sentence too. I can say 6 plus 3 equals 9. Can you say that with me? 6 plus 3 equals 9. I have, what am I going to have today? 6 cookies. I have 6 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my sister was really nice and she gave me 3 more. My number's getting bigger. And now how many cupcakes do I have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. Look at all of these different ways we made 9. We made 9s on a tens frame. Can you say tens frame? We saw what number comes before and what number comes after. Can you say before? Can you say after? We did some number bonds right here. That's when we can put 2 numbers together and they make this number 9, right? And we chose 6 and 3. We made an addition sentence with 6 and 3. We said 6 plus 3 equals 9. I had 6 cookies. My sister gave me 3 more, and that equals 9. Look at all of that math that we just did in that short amount of time. What amazing mathematicians you are. Are you ready to do some more math? Can you wiggle out your bodies, get some wiggles, 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 wiggles out, and get ready? Are you ready? Are you sure? What is that thing called again? What is that? That's right, it's a tens frame. I use it a lot. I like the tens frame. It organizes our information. I have some tens frames here with some dead teddy bears and some apples. We're going to use these 10 frames to make some addition sentences right here. Some addition sentences. So can I show you how to do that first? I'm going to look right here. I have 1, 2 bears. So I'm going to put a 2 right there. Now, how many apples do you see? How many apples do you see? I see 1, 2. 2 apples. So I know 2 plus 2, and now I have to count all of them. I have to count my bears and my apples. I'm putting them together. I'm putting them together. Can you say together? Good job. So now let's count the bears and the apples together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I have 4 things all together. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. We put it all together. Are you ready to do another one for me? Look at this one. How many bears do you see there? How many bears do you see? I see 1, 2. So I'm going to put a 2 right there. How many apples do you see? 1, right. Now, how many things all together? Say all together. I see 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make a story, a number story using this. I have 2 bears, and my brother gave me an apple. How many things do I have all together? I have 3. Good job. Ready? Let's do this one. How many apples do you see? How many apples do you see? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples, right? Let's put a 4 because I had 4 apples. Now let's look at the bears and see how many bears I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 bears. So I'm going to put a 4 right here. Am I finished? No, I'm not finished. I have to count them all together. So that means I have to count all of them. I had 4 apples, and my cousin gave me 4 bears. How many things do I have all together? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you have 8? Amazing. 4 plus 4 equals 8. What about this one? What about this one on a tens frame? You think you might be able to do this one kind of by yourself? Let's see how many apples there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples. And how many bears? Just 1, right? What about a number story? Do you think you can come up with a number story by yourself? My number story might be, I had 6 apples, and my friend gave me a bear. How many things do I have all together? Can you make up a number story and tell someone that's it by you? What's a number story that could go with this picture? Fantastic. Now, how many is all together? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 things right there, right? Let's do another one. Can you do this one all by yourself? How many apples do you have, and how many bears do you have? Ooh, think about it. How many apples do you have, and how many bears do you have? What would the number sentence right here look like? Is that what you think? Yeah, let's try it. I see how many apples? 3 apples. Plus how many bears were there? 1 bear. And then how many all together? 4. Nice job, boys and girls. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Fantastic job. Did you know all the stuff we did in math today? That was pretty brilliant. We did all about the number 9. We did it in a tens frame. We did it in some number bonds. We did before and after. We made an addition sentence. We came up with some story problems with the number 9. We know all about the number 9. Give me a thumbs up. All those different ways. Can you say, I can make a number in different ways? Can you say that? I can make a number in different ways. We also used a tens frame, and we made some story problems. You solved some story problems today. Can you say, I can solve a story problem? Can you say that? I can solve a story problem. Wow, what an awesome job today. I am very, very proud of you. I'll be back to do some more math. You guys have a fantastic day, and don't stop learning. Hi, everybody. Hi, boys and girls. I am so excited to be with you today. For some of you who don't know me, my name is Miss Davis, and I am a kindergarten teacher, and I am going to teach you some math today. Who is excited to learn some math? I know I am. I'm excited to teach you some math. We do a lot of stuff today, so get on your math hats and get ready to learn. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to learn all about the number 7. Can you say 7? We're going to put 7 in all these different ways. We're going to make 7 in so many different ways today. We're also going to get our bodies moving, and we're going to count to 100. Who can count to 100? I'm going to practice counting to 100. And we're also going to use some of these dots, and we're going to subitize. Who knows what subitize means? Think about it. Subitize means knowing a number in a snap, right? Knowing a number in a snap. And we're going to work on that today. We have a lot of stuff to work on. Who's ready to get some math going? I know I am. Let's do our first thing. Our first thing is putting all of these ways of doing number 7. We're going to make 7 in a bunch of different ways. So the first way we're going to make 7 is we're going to put it in a tens frame. Can you say tens frame? Tens frame. So how could I do that? How could I put my dots in my tens frame to make 7? Think about it. Yeah, I could put them in, I could count them and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But that takes a long time. I know that my top row is 5. And then I could say 6, 7. So watch me. I could put all of my dots in my top row. And I know that's 5. And I could say 5, 6, 7. And I got my dots. So that's what 7 looks like in a tens frame. 5, 6, 7. Awesome job. Ready? Let's go over here. We're going to look for the number before, and we're going to look for the number after. Can you say before? Can you say after? Good job. I have a number line down here just in case we might need it. I'm going to find the number 7. Here's the number 7. Do you see it? What number comes before 7? Yeah, it's the number 6. Great job, friends. What about the number that comes after 7? What number is that? It is the number 8. Sometimes when I don't know the number after, I can count on and say 6, 7, 8. Can you do that with me? 6, 7, 8. Awesome job. Now we're going to come over here and we are going to break 7 apart in a lot of different ways. Are you ready? I'm going to show you a cool strategy that I like to do in my classroom, okay? If I put 5 on this side, I need to see what my number bond would be to get to 7. So what I can do is I can put the number in my head and I can count on. So I can say 5, 6, 7. How many fingers do I have up? I have 2. So 5 and 2 equals 7. What happens when I put 4 in my head? I can put 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you do that with me? Put 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 3 fingers up, so I can put a 3 here. What happens if I put a 6 right here? Let's put 6 in our head. 6, 7. What is that? 1. Awesome job. Now I have to see what I want. What numbers do I want to put in my circles right here to give me 7? We can pick any of them. Let's do 4 and 3. So I can put 4 right here, and I can put a 3 right here. So I know 4 and 3 more equals 7. I can even draw a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Let's count that and see if that's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7. Good job. I could do it in an addition sentence too. I can use these two numbers and say 4 plus 3 equals 7. I can say 4 plus 3 equals 7. Wow, look at all of this learning we just did. So many different ways that you can make 7. Can you say, I can make numbers in different ways? I can make numbers in different ways. Good job. We made 7 in a tens frame. We did some number bonds. We did before and after. We did an addition sentence. And we did it with a drawing too. So many different ways. I am so impressed with your learning, boys and girls. Now, guess what? I'm ready to get my body moving. Are you ready to get your body moving? Who wants to count to 100 with me? Well, you got to move. We can do some exercises. Are you ready? Okay, I'm going to move my camera over so then you can see me and I can stand up. All right, we're going to count to 100. Can you do it? I think so. Okay, let's start, but we're going to walk in place. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's twist. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's touch the ground. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, reach, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, let's run, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Let's jump. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100! Awesome job, boys and girls. Whew, I am tired. Are you tired? Whew, let's breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. In through our nose and out through our mouth. Ooh, that was some tough stuff. Got my blood moving. Now I'm ready to subitize. Who's ready to subitize with me? Remember, subitizing is knowing a number in a snap. Okay, I'm going to show you some dots. And on these dots, I want to see if you know what number this is. Ready? I'm going to show you it. Are you ready? You ready for it? Look at those dots. What number is that? Yes, this is the number 5. I see 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are right. That is the number 5. Awesome job. Ready? I'm going to show you another one. Get ready. Let's see if you know what this one is. What number is that? I see 3 dots and 3 dots. So that means this number must be 6. Now, what if I do this? Is it still the same number? It sure is. It's still the same number. It's still the same number here. This is 6, and this is the number 6. Okay, I'm going to give you another one. Are you ready? You ready for it? What number is that? It is. It's the number 2. Can you show me 2 fingers? This is the number 2. Look at that. You knew that in a snap. Good subitizing. Now look at this one. It's a little tricky. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah, this is the number 8. How did you see 8? There's a couple of different ways. I saw 4 right here and 4 dots right here. And I know that 4 and 4 is 8. Did you see it a different way? Some of you might have seen 4 dots here and 4 dots here, and that equals 8. Good job. Okay, here's another one. What about this one? Yeah, that's the number 4. It is 2 and 2, or we can just know that that's 4. What about this one? 3. Okay, now ready? Here's a challenge, though. What if I did this? What would that be? How many is that? Yeah, that's 3 dots and 4 dots. That's 7 dots. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you know that one in a snap? Okay, ready for this one? It's a tricky one. How many dots are there? How many dots do you see? Do you see 5 and 3 more? Yeah. How many is that altogether? 5, 6, 7, 8. Who got 8? Good job. Okay, ready? It's our last one. How many dots do you see there? It is 5 and 5, just like if I did 5 and 5. How many fingers do I have? 10. This is the number 10. We were able to subitize. That means knowing numbers in a snap today. You guys did a good job practicing that with me today. We were also did the number 7. We learned so many different ways of making 7, and we also exercised our body a little bit, right? Exercised our body a little bit, and we counted to 100. You guys did a good job today. Kiss your brains. You guys did such a good job doing math today with me. I will hope to see you soon, and don't stop learning. Bye, boys and girls.